सा फर्क है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में ये अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी ये एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानपुर से दूर अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन ही नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good evening, everyone. Shubho Vijaya. I am Pragya Dujari. मैं कैलकाटा ऑफिस से ही कनेक्टेड हूँ। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया इज वन रिसोर्स जो आपके सारे बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल करता है। अगर आपके पास सिर्फ एक आइडिया है जिसमें आप बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं, अब वो फार्मेसी हो, हेल्थ हो, एजुकेशन हो, रिटेल हो, फूड हो, एनी बिजनेस यू टॉक अबाउट, भले वो 5 लाख से स्टार्ट होकर 50 करोड़ तक क्यों नहीं हो, वी आर इंडियाज नंबर 1 कंपनी इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग यू बिजनेस कंसल्टिंग। इनफैक्ट इस सैटरडे को हमारा एक ग्रैंड ओबेरॉय में भी इवेंट हो रहा है जिसके अंदर वेरियस ब्रांड पैन इंडिया से आएंगे। इस वेबिनार के बाद हमारी टीम आपको जरूर रीच आउट करेगी और आपको वहां के लिए भी इनवाइट करेगी, सो दैट यू कैन बी द पार्ट ऑफ दिस शो एंड 1-to-1 आप ब्रांड से मिल सके। वेबिनार के दौरान अगर आपके कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हो, कुछ भी हो, तो प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में अपने क्वेश्चंस मेंशन करिए and we would be happy to help you. To start with this, we have got our first brand with us, Joggers, and to represent this, we have got Namrata along. Namrata, over to you now, please.
Yeah, thank you, Pragya, and thank you, everyone. So first of all, good evening, everyone, and thank you for giving the time to hear us and know about the brand. So my name is Namrata, as already told by Pragya, and I'm representing the brand Zorgas Healthcare. So Zorgas Healthcare, let me once open the slide. Just give me a second. So yeah, Zorgas Home Healthcare. It's India's leading direct-to-home healthcare service company. So when we tell India's leading healthcare company, so we provide all kind of hospital equivalent care to people at home at the comfort of their homes. So means basic we need provide services like किसी को basic attendance service चाहिए for their elder parents, grandparents, or a nursing visit, injection visit, to a high level of complete ICU care at their home, जो कि critical care होती है, with all the medical equipments. So medical equipments also vary from a basic walker, wheelchair से लेके जो complete ICU level of equipments होते हैं like ventilator, BiPAP, CPAP. So we provide all such services to people at their home. So during the pandemic, as we all know how the pandemic has affected our lives and the business overall. So similarly, the healthcare sector was among the one that was affected. So now we see home health, healthcare sector is continuously rushing towards home. हर कोई हमारे आसपास is waiting कि घर पे service हो जाए, whether it's a normal injection visit हो, regular doctor teleconsultation हो, और attendance service हो, ICU care हो, कोई medical equipment चाहिए. So we all search कि we get the services at home because we are means afraid of going out. We are afraid to going to hospitals. Because we know we have a high risk of going to hospitals, we have a high risk of catching the virus. So right, so now what is Zorgas? So Zorgas is India's leading to home healthcare service. So we bring happiness to your loved ones. So now with our overall 7+ years of experience, we have now till now served 20,000 plus patients at their home. So we have a large network of healthcare people associated with us who are managed by the medical professionals, and through them we monitor and ensure continuous delivery of care to our customers. So the service portfolio that Zoggers represent is, we have divided into 4 categories that helps the franchisee to retain multiple customer acquisition points. The franchisee gets the ability to serve us full circle, like we have starting from D2H, that is direct to home. So we provide complete home healthcare service, as I already mentioned, starting from very attendant kind of support, nursing support, ICU level support, all equipments on rental and sale basis. Then we have the second service portfolio is value added service, where we have insurance, health, finance, diagnostic, other tie-ups. So if I tell about the insurance and health finance, what is it? अगर मतलब कोई मैं हूँ example के लिए, I want service for my parents or grandparents, but means I have certain financial restrictions. So we provide a no cost EMI through our tie-ups. So जहाँ पे आपको EMI options मिलते हैं to pay your bills. Then we have D2I, that is direct to institute, where we help in setting healthcare infrastructure at corporate locations. Then we have talent management company, where we hire and train paramedical staff to be placed with the healthcare industry. So this is multiple customer acquisition points that our franchisee gets. So Zorgas is placed well in the market with this integrated approach. As I told कि हमारा 7 years of experience है. We have a large service.
तो 7:30 पे हमारा आएगा।
हेलो,
मैं भी खोला हुआ है। ये स्टार्ट हो चुका है। मतलब ये स्टार्ट
shall I start or shall I give a pause?
I think Namrata, everyone is on unmute, and that's how we are not able to hear your sound properly.
Okay. So shall I wait for a second so that you can mute, or shall I continue?
Maybe you can continue now.
Okay, so as I told ki how Zorgas has placed well in the market with this overall 7 years of experience, we offer large service portfolio. Like we have from the very basic services to complete medical equipments at patient's place of convenience. And the second point is ki we provide all these premium quality services at very affordable price point. So then we have our own inbuilt technology. We have our own inbuilt cloud service to manage patients' data. We have a centralized care planning system. We have a sales medical call center. Suppose if we get any leads, so we have medical assistance to them. How, according to the patient history, we explain them what are the services they can avail. Right. So this is the management team, the people behind Zorgas Healthcare. So Mr. Varun Gupta, the CEO, then who handles the centralized system, who handles the geographical expansion. Then Mr. Anil Kumar, who is behind the technology. Mr. Vineet Sagar, who handles the medical part, medical SOP. Mr. Vinay Agarwal, who handles the head of finance and strategy. The current presence of Zorgas Home Healthcare is in the following cities: Chandigarh, Mohali, Panchkula, Ludhiana, Ambala, Patiala, Ahmedabad, Zirakpur. So, and recently we have closed South Delhi, the franchisee in this, the Shera. So we can now also add Delhi in our franchisee brand. So this, now we come to the story of opportunity in home healthcare sector. So as I already told, how the healthcare sector is shifting towards home. People are more looking into services at their home, and now also the growing lifestyle that puts significant burden on healthcare infrastructure. Means as we see the growing population, the increasing sedentary lifestyle, unnecessary visits to hospital that increase the chance of infection. That means again is the plus point for home healthcare sector. So the managed home healthcare services is a feasible way forward. So we help our franchisee create nurses and attendants regular supply. We help in developing medical equipments, and we also provide the complete training and support required for this business. The home healthcare market in India. So from 2018 to 2025, how we is seeing the home healthcare sector is continuously growing due to the increasing customer receptiveness towards home healthcare. Now the rising doctors acceptance also toward the home healthcare services. So these are certain factors that is continuously helping grow the home healthcare sector. Then comes the medical device market in India also. So we can see the government initiatives, how government is planning initiative to raise the medical device market in India. So this is the unit revenue potential. So if I explain you in a very simple words, so if we have a 25 lakhs investment plan for the franchisee, for one unit franchisee with a population of around 20 lakhs. So in that we see ki the 45 to 50% investment flows towards the medical equipment, and the franchisee unit holds almost a revenue potential of 1 crore. The pro forma and the financial split is explained here, how the overall 25 lakhs investment will be taken off. So the net margin will be around 8 to 12%, with the potential ROI being around 12 to 15 months. So the model that we are offering is FOFO model, that is franchise owned, franchise operated model. So again in that 80% of the things will be handled through us, like providing you the complete technology, providing the complete sales and medical call center, all the digital marketing, the networking, hiring of manpower resources, helping you in liaising with hospitals and all. So the role of franchisee will be just handling the local level of operations, that will be client retention, handling the local level of PR, all these things. So again, this is the rollout plan, how we are planning to expand in India from the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, starting from the NCR, Delhi, NCR, Ahmedabad, and then targeting into phase 2, Haryana, Uttarakhand, and then rest of India. So the key support functions that is, as I have already explained, are the network of manpower supplier. That is the main thing required in the business. We help you in that. Then the technology, the complete technology that is required in the business, the cloud services. We have our own inbuilt Android staff app where we are continuously building a network of caregivers, and we have added almost 5,000 plus network till now among different part of the countries. So which help you in also recruiting. Then we have centralized lead management system through our cloud services, digital marketing, centralized care planning system. We also provide assistance in liaising with hospitals and the regular medical equipment supply. The key reasons to partner with Zogger's is the evolving India opportunity. As I already told, the growing geriatric population. As we can see, around 40 to 50% is the young generation, but the 30% population is geriatric population. In that, as I again explain you, with the city potential of around 20 lakhs, we see 10% is the old age population, that comes around 2 lakhs. Then in that 10% also again dependent elders. So it comes around almost 3,000 families in a city population of 20 lakhs. That is our potential customer, and that is only in the geriatric population. Then again comes the patient services, ICU services, medical equipment. So the growing in opportunity, evolving opportunity is much in the home healthcare sector. Then how we help you is with the excellent brand positioning in our overall 8 years of journey. We have the expertise in the home healthcare services. We provide the premium quality service, and we have till now served 20,000 plus successfully served patients. Strong franchise partner benefits that we have. We provide you the complete leverage on knowledge and experience of the industry with the complete marketing and operational support. So these is the brief about the brand Zoggers and its franchise model. Hope I have helped enough to explain. So if you have any questions, you can just put up, and you can also connect with us on a one-on-one call through Franchise India. Thank you. Have a great evening. So I'm open for the questions if any one of you have any. Pragya, over to you.
Namrata, hi. Yes. Just wanting to know, do we need matlab, a retail space for this, or an office space can work?
Yeah, the office place will be required around 300 to 500 square feet, just to showcase the medical equipments and to have a all admin or HR management system at the office, because most of the clients will be through calls only, and very around 1 to 2% clients will like to come to the office and avail the services. Mostly it's on call. So much larger office area is not required.
And how about the recruitment of all these staff?
So we will be helping you through the recruitment cycle. As I have explained in the PPT, we have certain Government of India tie-ups through their skill development programs. We also have tie-ups with government institutes. And as I told, through our own inbuilt app that is continuously building network of caregivers. And till now, it has added almost 5,000 plus caregivers across the country.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much. In fact, Namrata is visiting us on Saturday. So अगर आप इनसे मिलना चाहते हैं, तो our team will get in touch with you tomorrow for the invite, and you can have one-to-one meeting with the brand too.
Yeah.
Thank you, Namrata.
Thank you, Pragya. Thank you, all of you. Have a good evening. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We have got our next brand with us, Chicago Pizza. Probably there is some network issues with him. He's joining. Saurabh, can you hear us? Hello? Saurabh, are you there? Saurabh will be joining us with Pizza. Hi, Saurav.
Yeah, hi. Allow me a second. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody.
Yeah, hi. So maybe you can start with the slide presentation.
Yes. So, do I have to start the presentation, or you have the access to the presentation, ma'am? Just wanted to check with you.
You will have to share the screen.
Okay, allow me 1 second, ma'am. So, I would like to welcome all the viewers. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. And I'm Saurabh Singhal from Hollywood's Pizza and Grill. And today we would like to discuss the exciting franchise opportunities our brand is offering to all the entrepreneurs and the first-time business owners who wish to start their own food business and run a successful food profitable business. So as you can see, we have this is our first slide about our brand, which is Hollywood's Pizza and Grill. So I hope you are able to see this slide. Then we'll move on to the next stage.
Yeah. It's all visible.
Right, ma'am. So this is our story. Our brand Hollywood's Pizza and Grill is an award-winning American-themed restaurant chain, and it is owned in India by Spirit Brew Ventures LLP. The brand already has presence in Delhi, Noida, Greater Noida, Chandigarh, and we have aggressive plans to open more than 50 outlets in India. Even for a market like Kolkata, it is very promising for our brand to we can open easily 8 to 10 restaurants over there. Our specialty is serving thin crust pizzas, which are cooked live in our traditional wood fired ovens. And this brand was started by myself in 2019. It was only because we were unable to find the kind of authentic Italian taste we used to get whenever we travel abroad. So and this is our vision, and this is the brand vision. The brand vision is that to be the fastest growing restaurant company, and by transforming the food sector by offering great tasting high quality products. Our brand's mission is bringing people together to socialize and celebrate the freeing spirit of Hollywood. This is the profile about myself. I have been, working in the industry from last more than 21 years. I used to work with McDonald's, Pizza Hut, TGI Fridays, which is American bar chain, and Benihana. And I've been working with these brands in, most of the cities in the world, and been part of their setting up operational and opening team. So this is the profile about our co-founder, who is Russell is a American citizen, and he is a part of our brand, wherein he is setting up the outlets which are being are coming up. And he also has experience of more than 15 years in the restaurant industry. So he looks after the setting up and looks after the brand standards of the outlets. This slide is about the recognitions our brands have received. So we have been recognized as the best upcoming restaurant chain by Business Fair Media Group in December 2019. Also, our brand features among the 10 most popular franchise to have a look at by Insight Success Business Publication. this is about our menu. As you would all see, our menu is quite affordable. It starts in the range of around 70 rupees for a medium size pizza, and the pricing goes on till around 350 or 340 rupees, which is quite affordable for a range of quality, pizzas we are serving. As you would also notice, our menu, the product names are, based upon the popular movie names, which brings a kind of, a nostalgic factor when somebody, when our, when our customers, when they enter our outlet, they get a kind of nostalgic feeling when they order our menu. Also, this menu, this kind of, menu, what we have, we are having in our outlets, this kind of menu, help us in distinguishing our brand with, as compared to other brands which are there, like all other fast food chains. For an example, one cannot get the beach pizza which is here, one cannot get this kind of pizza in any other XYZ pizza chain. We also have just launched a range of high quality burgers which are there. Now this is about like the models we are offering when we are inviting the franchise options. So our unit franchise, which means the franchise outlet for a takeaway or a kiosk model, can start in the range of around 10 lakh rupees. And there is a good uh, option to make sales, and make money out of the food sales. Now, apart from this, we also have a master franchise option, which is very lucrative for people who are looking to make a career in terms of, being a, running multiple outlets. And it starts at just rupees 30 lakh rupees. So in this master franchise option, one can get an entire area to develop sub franchisees. Our team will be assisting the master franchise to appoint the further franchise and to support them and to guide them, and which also enables our master franchise to get 50% share in the franchise fees, and 50% share they get from the monthly royalty fees. So w- uh, uh, a state like Kolkata, right now, the master franchise option is available in the Kolkata region. And we would like to invite the franchise queries even for master franchise, which will be offered at very, very, very affordable pricing right now. This is about the partner support functions our brand is offering. So like these are the like pre-opening task we are, taking care of. Pre-opening means that the tasks which are undertaken before the restaurant or outlet is open. So we start with the site selection and guidance. Then we move on to site layouting. Layouting means the designing of the outlet. We have the standardized brand books for SOPs. We offer assistance in complete equipment sourcing also. Apart from the staff planning and hiring, recipe manuals, and the training programs, we have in-house training manager, and she is there to visit all the outlets and to take care of the training, which is required in the outlets. Post opening is the support, like the support we are offering when the restaurant is getting open and after the restaurant is open. So we have like we are offering product development, which means that the pizzas, burgers, pasta, everything is being evaluated and analyzed on monthly basis, and based upon the customer preference and the sales and the revenues, being derived from the items, we do the innovations. This we also support the product supplies, which means that all the raw material is being supplied consistently through our company at a very low cost to all our franchise partners. We have menu innovations which is happening every quarter. We have a strong marketing and brand pull, so we are available on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn and other social media websites. And we have an in-house social media manager, and she is managing all the accounts like LinkedIn, Instagram, which also helps our franchise partners to run their promotions. We guide the promotional schemes, and we also offer the hand holding support. So now these are the top reasons for becoming a unit or master franchise. So we are offering attractive and a growing, market option which is there in the market. We have category defining concept which is wood fired pizzas and the Italian cuisine. Our brand is having very significant potential in the market like Kolkata. The margins which are being offered are very good. We have very good support in operation and marketing, and the branded options are still very few in the market. Now, moving on to the franchise models. So, as you would be able to see, we have starting range which is of around like say, we say 10 to 12 lakh rupees, which is for a takeaway or a cloud kitchen. So now this for this kind of model, we are looking at the carpet size of around 150 or to 300 square feet area. The franchise fee is 6 lakh rupees. The setup cost, which means the cost involved with the civil work and doing the interiors, and the cost for the commercial equipment is around 4 to 8 lakh rupees. The margin is around 25%, which is the net profitable margin, which means that when a sale of 10 lakh rupees is done on monthly basis in the outlet, one can easily make a profit of 2.5 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees. Royalty is 5% of total sale on monthly basis. Payback is the time period required for the money invested initially, like when we talk about a takeaway outlet where we say 10 to 12 lakh rupees. So payback means that in 14 months, this amount is expected to come back to the franchise partners. After that, it will be all profit coming up. And these are the items which are there on the menu. So we have like appetizers, pizza, pasta, wraps, beverages. In the diner outlet, diner restaurant, which means that we have a service and full dining outlet. The area required is 500 to 2000 square feet. Total investment is 18 to 20 lakh rupees. Franchise fee is 8 lakhs. The setup cost is around 10 to 12 lakh rupees, looking which takes care of the commercial equipment, civil work, and the interior work, also the air conditioning expenses and the furniture. So the margin being offered in this kind of model is very good because we are offering around 27 to 30% margin. Royalty is again, 5%. Payback period is a little bit longer because it's a bigger outlet. And the items on the menu was like we have pizzas, pastas, wraps, burgers, salads, and beverages. The third model is master franchise, and we would like to invite queries for the master franchise. And because this is a very great option, very good option for the entrepreneurs who are looking to build up a career. So we would like to invite the question and answers, if any.
What are the benefits of taking up a master franchise?
Right. Uh, Master franchise means that one can, they can acquire the license for a given region, for a given area. For an example, one can acquire a license for a region like Kolkata. Now they will be the sole distributor, the sole franchisor. They will represent our brand in the market, and whichever outlet is getting opened in the future, that outlet will be routed only through that company, which means, and also the future franchise fees coming up, like we say 6 lakh rupees is franchise fees currently, which is bound to rise also next year. So out of this 6 lakh rupees, 25% amount is being retained by the company from the head office to take care of the opening expenses and the training expenses. After that, the remaining amount is shared 50% with the master franchise every time there is a new franchise coming up. So in 1 year, if there are 10 outlets being signed up, there is an option to make money, which is in the range of around 40 to 50 lakh rupees very easily. Apart from that, there is a recurring profitability coming up in the terms of royalty fees every month, which is being shared 50% on the true value. So there is no company expense involved in the royalty fees coming every month, which is 5% of the monthly sales. So one can easily make a revenue as a master franchisor. One can easily make a revenue of 4 to 5 lakh rupees in coming times every month only through royalty fees.
Thank you, Saurav ji. That was informative. Probably we will come back to you with prospective leads from East now.
Right. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much for your for inviting us today, and thank you for all the viewers. Thank you very much.
We are waiting for our another brand to join in. Please be there. He will be joining in a minute or two. Over to you, please. Sorry for the delay.
Yeah, sorry about this. Am I audible?
Yeah, very much.
Okay, great. Apologize for keeping anyone waiting. I've actually come to Bangalore for the exhibition tomorrow. So just doing some franchise meets. And just to start up, we have about 160 to 180 outlets pan India, and we're the winners of Best Pizza Award by Hindustan Times. With Swiggy and Zomato, we share a very good central relationship, because with Domino's, they find Domino's as competition. Domino's has got their own delivery system. So since the time Swiggy and Zomato have come in, they try to extract that business away from Domino's and facilitate Chicago Pizza on a pan-India basis. So their central team is aligned with us, in which that delivery business grows enormously. So they send like complimentary notifications to customers in that vicinity if you have a rating of 3.9 plus, and we can manage that rating in-house for your outlets. So, I mean, everything is well in place. 100 square feet carpet area, we're able to set up a complete kitchen and takeaway counter. This is the USP of the brand. I mean, the real advantage that though Domino's, Pizza Hut, or any even ice cream brands, they take a complete building at times. And usually ice creams we feel can be sold just out of display because it's coming from somewhere else. You just put it on display and it can be sold off. So paying hefty rents is usually the make or break of a business. And that is why the complete business has been evolved in 100 square feet. And that's why in Delhi, like though we have 40 locations, in 100 square feet also we pay 3 lakh rupees of rentals, like Select City Walk or, DLF Mall of India, etc. Now you can well imagine if supposing I said you needed 400 square feet carpet area, you cannot survive in such places. So whether it's this place or any other tier 2, tier 3 city, rent plays a crucial role always. Every inch of the space should be optimally utilized. 100 square feet is something which panwalas also keep. While this is still a pizza business for takeaway, delivery, big business with a lot of products like 7-inch small starting at 100 rupees. Then there is 11-inch medium, 14-inch large, 18-inch extra large. India's biggest pizzas, even Domino's and Pizza Hut do only 16-inch. And this 18-inch is also cut into slices. Each slice is also customized to customer requirements. Then there's a range of pastas, stuffed garlic bread, chicken wings, potato wedges, chocolava cake, mocktails, and milkshake. And you can imagine everything in 100 square feet, in which this big oven that I told you, which is a conveyor belt, you put the pizza from one side, it bakes and comes from the other along. And though Domino's, Pizza Hut use a 16-inch, ours is a 21-inch conveyor belt oven to make India's biggest pizzas, along with computer, AC, freezer, make line, camera, dough mixer, and 100 more tools like knife, spatula, and all. They all combined cost is 12 lakh rupees for setting up this 100 square feet kitchen itself. Now, whichever location we finalize, whether it's in a mall or food court, then we say better just put the kitchen like 100 square feet. But when it comes to market area or high streets, we always take 500 to 1000 square feet, out of which 100 is utilized for kitchen and additional space is utilized with chairs and tables for a dine-in experience. For any of these locations, we prepare the 2D, 3D and working drawings for that particular location. That means ये आउटलेट बनने के बाद कैसा नजर आएगा और लोग भी खाते हुए नजर आते हैं, और प्लम्बिंग, इलेक्ट्रिक, ब्रांडिंग, सीलिंग कैसे काम होना है. तो ये ड्राइंग्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री दी जाती हैं टू एनी फ्रेंचाइज जब लोकेशन फाइनल होती है. ये ड्राइंग्स इसलिए कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री दी जाती हैं that everyone gets the power of negotiation. You can choose any 2-3 contractor of your choice जिसने कम से कम कोटेशन दी, उसे आपने डायरेक्टली काम करवा लिया. So apple to apple comparison of the quotation can be done, and the cheapest contractor can be made. He can do the job. So usually in a food court, he charges maybe 2.5-3 lakh rupees. Maybe in a market area or high street, जिसमें sitting डाली हुई है, he'll charge 4-5 lakh rupees. So 12 lakhs of the equipment plus 4-5 lakhs that you pay directly to your contractor is about 16-17 lakhs of total investment. ये 2D 3D वर्किंग ड्राइंग्स इसलिए आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री देते हैं सो दैट कल वो जो काम भी करे कंट्रैक्टर इज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स। कल ये ना बोले कि आपने तो ये बताया नहीं था, ये कहाँ लिखा है, सब कुछ ब्लूप्रिंट में है 6-7 पेज की। So these are real photographs. I mean, they look as good as real. I don't know if I can share it, but it'll be nice if I can. But nevertheless, you get the point. Anyone wanting these documents, I can share it. So 12 लाख के इक्विपमेंट, 4-5 लाख कंट्रैक्टर को दिया, टोटल 16-17 लाख की इन्वेस्टमेंट आई, 25-30 दिन में काम कंप्लीट कर देता है कंट्रैक्टर। जब कंप्लीट करता है तो हमारे ऑपरेशंस के बंदे पहले से पहुंचे रहते हैं वहां पर, वो देखते हैं सब कुछ ठीक है, लॉन्च करेंगे, हफ्ता 10 दिन वहीं पे रहेंगे, टिल द टाइम एवरीथिंग इज स्ट्रीमलाइन। फ्रेंचाइज खुद बोलेगा दैट आई डोंट रिक्वायर योर सर्विसेज, उसका आने जाने रहने का खर्चा हम उठाते हैं। सो ट्रेनिंग इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। A to Z of the ingredients like dough, sauce, cheese, non-veg, veg items, packaging, including housekeeping items, we supply to the doorstep of the franchise, no matter where he is in tier 2, tier 3 cities. This is done through rail, truck, and road combination. So we've got a pan-India logistics. उसको डोर स्टेप में मिलेगा सारा माल। सिर्फ कैप्सिकम और अनियन वो लोकली सोर्स करता है। जो आइटम हम भेजते हैं वो ऑलरेडी प्री मिक्सेस होते हैं। सो वी गॉट द टॉप फूड टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट, शेफ एंड कुक वर्किंग एट आवर किचन सो दैट यू डोंट नीड अ शेफ एट ऑल। हम क्या करते हैं, अब पिज्जा का बेस मैदे से बनता है, लेकिन उस मैदे में डो कंडीशनर, ग्लूटेन, सॉल्ट, एमल्सिफायर, ड्राई ईस्ट और फ्लेवर हम पहले से डाल के रखते हैं। हम सो दैट कल कस्टमर ना बोले नमक कम है या ज्यादा है, मिर्ची कम है या ज्यादा है। वैसे ही वी ग्रो आवर ओन टोमेटोज ऑफ अ स्पेशल वैरायटी क्वालिटी, वी ब्लांच पल्वराइज इट टू मेक आवर ओन पिज्जा पास्ता सॉस। जो चीज और पैकेजिंग है, दैट इज द मेन कॉस्ट इन मेकिंग अ पिज्जा। वी सोर्स इट फ्रॉम द सेम मैन्युफैक्चरर हु सप्लाइज टू डोमिनोज फॉर द होल ऑफ एशिया। सो टनों के हिसाब से माल जब खरीदा जाता है तो 10-15% सस्ता भी रहता है और क्वालिटी भी स्ट्रीमलाइन रहती है। हर आइटम इंक्लूडिंग आपका पनीर, कॉर्न, मशरूम, पाइनएप्पल, आलापिनो, रेड पेपरिका, ऑलिव, सबकी शेल्फ लाइफ 1 साल है रूम टेम्परेचर के अंदर। इसको फ्रिज या फ्रीजर में स्टोर करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। ये एक स्पेशल टेक्नोलॉजी होती है रिटॉर्ट पैक जो हम करवाते हैं। उससे ये है कि आपका फ्रेट ज्यादा नहीं लगता, क्योंकि अब एरोप्लेन से नहीं आना माल, कोल्ड वैन से नहीं आना, रेल और रोड की कनेक्टिविटी तो हर जगह पे है। तो आपके पास लोएस्ट भाव के ऊपर माल पहुंच जाता है आपके डोर स्टेप पे, और आइटम खराब भी नहीं होती। हर महीने के महीने माल रिप्लेनिश होते रहता है। कोई आइटम बच भी जाए तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वो दूसरे महीने यूज हो जाएगा। हम महीने महीने में माल रिप्लेनिश करेंगे। आपके बंदों को ट्रेनिंग क्या दी जाती है, मैदे का मिक्सचर में सब कुछ डाला हुआ है, पानी डाला, वो डो बॉल बन गई, उसको पिज्जा की तरह शेप करना सिखाते हैं। हमारी बनी बनाई सॉस, चीज, टॉपिंग डाली, एक साइड ओवन से डाला, दूसरी साइड से खुद बन के निकला। सो एंड प्रोडक्ट इज ऑलवेज द सेम। आप बनाओ, मैं बनाऊं, शेफ बनाए या 8,000 रुपए का बंदा बनाए। इसीलिए हम 3 बंदे रखते हैं 8,000 रुपए की सैलरी में, जिनको पिज्जा बनाना सिखाते हैं, एंड 1 person एज अ कैशियर कम मैनेजर at about 11,000-12,000 rupees of salary. So 4 people are sufficient. Now, all in all, if you've understood the model, Domino's and Pizza Hut need 400 to 500 square feet for a kitchen. We need only 100 square feet. They need 25 to 30 people at their outlet. We need only 3 to 4 people. उनकी सैलरीज 35, 35,000, 40,000 भी जाती है मैनेजर्स की। हमारी 8,000 रुपए की सैलरी के नीचे तो बंदा नहीं मिलेगा। रॉ मटेरियल कॉस्ट हम दोनों की सेम है, सेम वेंडर्स हैं, हम भी टनों का काम करते हैं। तो जब आपकी मंथ ऑन मंथ ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट बेयर मिनिमम होता है, यू कैन बीट एनीवन इन बिजनेस। उसको हमसे 3 गुना ज्यादा सेल करनी पड़ेगी टू अर्न द सेम काइंड ऑफ प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी एज शिकागो पिज्जा मेक्स। बिकॉज आपने रेंट बचा लिया, आपने सैलरी बचा ली, इंग्रेडिएंट कॉस्ट कम से कम है, तो अब आप क्वालिटी के ऊपर ज्यादा ध्यान दे सकते हो। आपको क्वालिटी अब नीचे करने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम बेजल डालते हैं ऊपर जस्ट टू एनहांस द क्वालिटी एंड द लुक एंड फील ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स। सो दो कमिंग बैक टू द ROI, हमारे आउटलेट्स दिल्ली के अंदर 40 होंगे, यूपी में वी आर इन लखनऊ, कानपुर, इलाहाबाद, वाराणसी, मेरठ, मुजफ्फरनगर, देहरादून, आगरा, हरदोई, इटावा, अब कोई बोकारो में खुल रहा है। पंजाब वी आर वेरी वेल कवर्ड, ऑल सिटीज। इलांटे मॉल चंडीगढ़ का सबसे बड़ा मॉल है जहां पर खुला है। ऑल सिटीज अदर देन हाईवे लोकेशंस लाइक होशियारपुर, कोई मुकेरियां, गुरदासपुर, बटाला काइंड ऑफ प्लेसेस। गुजरात में अहमदाबाद, राजकोट, भुज, चेन्नई, आपका गुवाहाटी में अब 2-3 आउटलेट खुल रहे हैं, रांची। सो पटना आउटलेट्स आर डूइंग एक्सट्रीमली वेल, कोई 15-17 लाख की सेल करता है। सेम फ्रेंचाइजी ने बोरिंग रोड में खोला, फिर कंकड़ बाग में खोला, फिर राजा बाजार में खोला, सब में 3-4 लाख रुपया कमा रहा है। अब चौथा आउटलेट खोल रहा है, उसकी वजह से 7-8 फ्रेंचाइज और फाइनल हुए पटना में, उसको देख के कि भाई ये अलग से अकेले कमा रहा है। तो अब हमने पटना की फ्रेंचाइज क्लोज कर दी है। सो वी आर नो लॉन्गर फ्रेंचाइजिंग। ऐसे करके सिटीज बुक होते जा रही हैं। बिहार के छोटे छोटे रीजन्स भी हैं, हमें 1-1 लाख रुपए का एडवांस आ रहा है, तो वो छोटे छोटे शहर भी बुक हो रहे हैं। बोकारो, केवर, मतलब आई नॉट इवन हर्ड ऑफ लोकेशंस, बट लाख लाख रुपया देके हर छोटी लोकेशंस ब्लॉक हो रही है, स्पेशली जहां पर स्विगी जोमेटो पहुंच चुका है। कमिंग बैक टू द ROI, आप छोड़ दो 15-17 लाख की सेल या 7-8 लाख की सेल जो हमारे नॉर्मल आउटलेट्स करते हैं, 3 लाख की सेल तो स्विगी जोमेटो से आती ही है। 1.5 लाख की स्विगी की, 1.5 लाख की जोमेटो की, टोटल हो गया 3 लाख डिलीवरी सेल से। अब आपका आउटलेट सिर्फ स्विगी जोमेटो के लिए तो हमने खोला नहीं, ये तो फ्री की सेल है। आपके अपने दम के ऊपर, टेक अवे, डाइन इन के ऊपर कम से कम 2-3 लाख की सेल तो आएगी, जो एक्चुअल बाकी सारे बिजनेस तो सिर्फ इसी के ऊपर कमाते हैं। हमारा भी लार्जेस्ट टेक अवे चेन ऑफ पिज्जा है, वी आर नॉट लाइक डिपेंडेंट ऑन डिलीवरी। फाइन, वी हैव गॉट अ सेंट्रल पार्टनरशिप, सो दे हेल्प अस, और वो भी डिलीवरी सेल 7-8 लाख भी पहुंच सकती है। लेकिन ROI के लिए, मतलब रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए मैं कम से कम सेल बता रहा हूँ कि 3 लाख की डिलीवरी की आई और 3 लाख हमारे दम पे आ गई टेक अवे डाइन इन, तो टोटल हो गया 6 लाख की सेल। इसमें 35% goes into ingredients and royalty. That means 28 to 30% is raw material cost, ingredient cost, and पहले 9% रॉयल्टी होती थी, अब 6% कर दी हमने कोरोना के बाद। तो 35% में इंग्रेडिएंट और रॉयल्टी पूरा हो गया, 15% में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और सैलरी पूरा हो गया, 50% जो आपका बचा उसमें 10% रेंट होता है, लेकिन हम हायर साइड पे 20% रेंट ले लेते हैं खर्चे इंक्लूड करके। 20% मतलब 6 लाख के पीछे 1,20,000 का भी आप अगर रेंट दे रहे हैं ऊपर की साइड, तो भी 30% का नेट प्रॉफिट आ गया। सारे खर्चे ऊपर की साइड पे लिए हैं, सेल नीचे की साइड ली है, फिर भी 30% का नेट प्रॉफिट 6 लाख की सेल पे 1,80,000 रुपया होता है। 1,80,000 रुपया हर महीने का जब कोई कमाए तो वो 12 महीने में 22 लाख रुपया हो गया। So you recover the complete investment, your equipments become free in a year's time. Second, third year जब आप और कमाओगे, you yourself will open the second, third outlet with us. आप खुद फोन करोगे कि मेरा इधर बगल में एक और जगह है, मैं खोल लूं या मल्टी यूनिट ले लूं, मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी ले लूं। यही सबने किया है और सबके अब 3-4 यूनिट हो गए हैं और हमारे भी 180। So Baki, I look forward, anyone who wants to book the city, location, anything, don't lose this opportunity. We are opening about at least 18 to 20 outlets in a month. So book your outlet, pay that 1 lakh rupee advance. Don't worry about it. You just have to see the upside कि क्या मैं 4-5 लाख रुपया कमा सकता हूँ। Downside की चिंता मत करिएगा। Yeah, thank you. Any questions?
Thank you so much, Vishal ji. It was very informative and literally we see it promising. जैसे आपने पटना में बताया है कि the business is doing good, and probably we will get in touch with you with the prospective leads to help them.
Sir,
Well,
I have a question, sir.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
सर मैं बोल रहा था कि ये फ्रेंचाइज फी है, सिर्फ हम लोग को वन टाइम ही पे करना है या फिर आफ्टर कुछ 5 इयर्स और 10
टाइम,
इयर्स?
ये 5 लाख की फ्रेंचाइज फी सिर्फ वन टाइम है एज अ रिस्पेक्ट टू द ब्रांड, क्योंकि वो एरिया आपके नाम के ऊपर बुक हो जाता है। हम बैक एंड सपोर्ट आपको देंगे, बट यू आर द किंग ऑफ दैट एरिया। कोई आसपास शिकागो पिज्जा नहीं खोलेगा उसमें, और लाइफ टाइम के लिए वो आपका बिजनेस है, जनरेशंस में पास कर सकते हो, हम दोबारा कभी फ्रेंचाइज फी नहीं लेंगे आपसे।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
Yeah. All right, Archana, all right.
So we have got our another brand with us, and this is Vedantu. And to represent this, we have got Abhilash with us. Abhilash, over to you, please.
Hi, thanks, Pragya. Hi, everyone. Very good evening. This is Abhilash Mittal from Vedantu. And I hope the brand needs no introduction as we have just entered the Unicorn Club, right? So Vedantu, the market leader in the live online tutoring space, right? We have just entered the Unicorn Club, and we are one of the topmost companies of India, right? Who is currently doing amazingly well in the edtech space, right? So yes, here we are. We recently have launched a franchisee program because we want to penetrate in every part of the country, and so we want to onboard our franchisee partners who can actually help us expand our business, right? So I will take you through a presentation, and I will also tell you how exactly we are looking to launch this program. I hope my screen is visible. Pragya, can you confirm if the screen is visible? Can anyone confirm?
Yes sir, yes sir, screen is
Okay,
visible.
great. Okay, great. So we will be covering three parts in the presentation. Basically, obviously about Vedantu, what exactly we are doing at Vedantu, what is our vision, what is our mission, then how exactly we are looking at the opportunity in India, and then third part is the franchisee proposal, right? So I would like to, I majorly spend more time in covering about Vedantu section because there is where the entire soul of the company lies at, and what we believe in, what is our policies, and what we basically, what impact we want to drive in the education space. So I would just like to give a brief background. Yeah, this is Vedantu just joined the Unicorn Club, right? We have become 100 after raising $100 million Series E funding. So we have just entered the Unicorn Club, right? So starting with the background, right? I would just like to take a couple of minutes here. So we at Vedantu, our team, our founders are basically teachers at heart, right? This is a different edtech company who has not entered the edtech space with a motive of making business. Business is definitely a byproduct. But the primary agenda of entering into the education's edtech space basically was to make the learning effective and affordable, right? So all our three founders basically are teachers, and they started way back in 2006 with an offline institute known as Lakshya in rural Punjab. Basically, all three are IITians, and they all were fond, they were all passionate about teaching. So they opened a very traditional offline institute for JEE and NEET coaching, right? And they started with an institute known as Lakshya, right? They did amazingly well, and Lakshya got expanded to 4 locations, right? In just 2 or 3 years of time, right? We are having 3,600 students. Now, in 2011, the problem they started facing was because it's a physical model, right? It was not possible for them to provide the best of the teachers in every location, right? Even at one location, if there are 1,000 students coming to one center, I will be able to provide my top teachers only to the top students or the top batches. Another problem which they faced basically was that there are a lot of talented pool of students, not in the rural India, not in their own location, but across India, who are not able to take this coaching because of the cost, because the offline coaching comes with a heavy cost. That's where the idea of developing an online system came into the picture, and they started working towards opening an online setup. So Vedantu was founded basically in 2012 with an objective to basically make sure that students can learn anytime and anywhere, right? Next few years were basically dedicated to basically build an in-house technology, basically. So right now, whatever online teaching is happening, they are happening mostly through Zooms or Google Meet, right? But Zoom and Google Meet are supposed to have more of business meetings rather than a teaching platform. These are getting used just as an option right now. So Vedantu way back in 2019 launched its internally built Wave platform, which has over 19 patents in US market. This is specially designed for students to make their learning interactive and personalized, right? And after that, it's we didn't look back. And today, Vedantu, we are grown to over 550 cities with over 45 million happy students. So this has been the journey of Vedantu. And as I mentioned earlier, Vedantu, we are teachers at heart. And coming to the edtech space, the whole idea was to basically make the teaching, the quality teaching, basically affordable and available to every student anywhere and anytime, right? So that's our mission is. Our mission is to provide 10x better teaching at a quarter of the cost, right? Today, a typical student pays close to 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs in an offline coaching institute, right? I'm talking about the top coaching institutes of India, the physical setups, right? They charge close to 3 lakh of rupees for 2 years of JEE and NEET coaching. I am delivering the same at a quarter of a cost at around 75,000. That too with my top teachers, right? The physical institutes having lakhs of students can provide the top. They do have top teachers. But they are teaching only top 3 or 4 batches. That is like 500 students. Because it's a physical setup, the teachers cannot teach all the batches. That's why we are making sure that we hire only top teachers and they basically teach all the students. So the idea is to provide an equal opportunity to all the students. And that's where a Wave platform come into the picture, right? The idea is provide a 10x better teaching by hiring and basically teaching only by the master teachers, the quality teachers from IITs having over 15 years of experience, that too at a quarter of the cost. And that's what the power of technology is, right? That's why EdTech, that's why online teaching is the future of the globe, right? So this is our goal, and basically to make learning engaging with predictable learning outcomes in every part of India, right? We basically deliver an engaging content using a live and interactive learning via Blade platform. And then we have master teacher expertise, the teachers coming directly from IITs, basically to deliver this quality teaching. Vedantu improvement promise. So this is one of its kind, and it's only Vedantu which is doing a kind of refund if not satisfied kind of policy in the entire EdTech segment. No other EdTech company is doing this right now. For all our long-term courses, when I say a long-term course, basically a course which lasts for an entire year, we have a Vedantu improvement promise program for all our students. Basically, we conduct a benchmark test when a student joins us. Basically, it's a preliminary test, the kind of test to get the current level of the student when he joins Vedantu. We guarantee to improve his or her performance after an year for whatever next exam he's sitting in, right? In his actual exams which are giving in school or JEE or NEET. In case he's not performing, we will refund the entire fees back. So this is one of its kind of program. I hope you would have seen even Amir Khan, our brand ambassador, promoting this thing. So this is the kind of confidence we have on a teacher. This is the kind of confidence we have on our content on our platform. That if the student is not performing well related to the time when he joined Vedantu, we will refund the entire fees, no questions asked. Obviously, there are few conditions to it because our teachers can put maximum effort, but we want students also to keep and put maximum effort. So we just want the students to attend at least 75% of the classes and to attend and give at least 75% of the tests. This is a very bare minimum requirement. I think we all agree that the student has to do it. Other than that, no teacher can basically bring an impact, right? So this is, again, as I mentioned, we are the only one who are just refunding the entire fees of the student if there is no improvement in the performance. Yes. So this is the latest news, and I think Vedantu is trending on all the social media because Vedantu students just outshined in the JEE Advanced 2021. We have given over 1,500 students who have cracked IIT JEE, that is JEE Advanced, which is called JEE Advanced these days. And 6% of the IITians of the upcoming batch will be from Vedantu. That's an amazing achievement, and that's like highest which any EdTech company has ever given, right? So the result speaks for ourselves, right? The result speaks for us. We do not want to boast about our teachers, or we don't want to boast about a platform, but yes, we just want to show the results, and results speak for themselves, right? So this has been a phenomenal result which we have given so far, and the result was announced last week, and there are 1,500 students who have basically cracked JEE, that is IIT. This is the results of JEE Main and JEE Main 2. These are amazing numbers. I won't take much time in that because I've already shown you how JEE Advanced IIT we have cracked. So Vedantu is market leader in terms of basically cracking the competitive exams, and competitive exams, not only JEE and NEET in 11th and 12th. We are preparing students for competitive exams across all the grades, right? We have amazing selections in NTSC stage 1, NTSC stage 2. We have amazing toppers in KVPY as well. For NTSC, most of you must be knowing that it's the most prestigious exam basically for grade 10th again, KVPY again, right? So we are providing a holistic solution to the grade 11th and 12th students in terms of all the competitive exams they want to take part in. Now, as I mentioned, it's not only grade 11th and 12th, which we are catering to. Vedantu offers program for entire K-12. So that's why we have become a market leader, because we are catering to the entire set of students starting as early as LKG till higher grade 12th. We also have courses for grade 13, which is not exactly grade 13, but it's like a repeaters batch, people who take a drop and then give JEE and NEET, right? So we are offering courses for starting from as early as LKG to as up as grade 13. We are providing solutions for every student, right? These are our highlight courses. Obviously, there are other short courses also which we do provide. JEE and NEET for class 11th and 12th, which we are the market leaders. There are foundation courses which is selling like hotcakes these days. Students these days, we all know that start preparing from JEE and NEET from as early as grade 6, right? So we have started foundation courses from grade 8 as well. So the student can start preparing from JEE and NEET from grade 8 only. Coding, the need of the hour, the most selling topic right now in the entire Indian ecosystem. We are giving coding classes for grade 1 to 10. This is majorly to engage the kids in the lower grades, right? We are providing tuitions as well. The tuitions, the way you and me would have taken tuitions in our time, we are providing tuitions for grade 4 to 12 for CBSE and for grade 6 to 10 for ICSE. Then to engage the students in much lower grades, we have reading based classes. We have reading classes and we have spoken English classes, right? For grade 2 to 8 and LKG to first. So we can see we have the entire platter is filled with entire courses, and we are catering to each and every student, and that's what makes the opportunity really huge, right? India is currently a $20 billion market, $20 million market in terms of education. These are some key numbers. I've already covered most of them. We have 45 million happy students. There are more than 310K plus content downloads, 17 million YouTube views, right? 24 million plus hours of learning. So these are insane numbers which Vedantu has achieved in just 3 years of time, and we are going at an insane pace. These are the key features basically of our entire offering. As I mentioned, we have our in-house inbuilt Wave platform. We are not using any Zoom. We don't use any Google Meet. We have our inbuilt platform, which is very engaging, which is very interactive. In education, it's not about just the teacher who delivers the lecture. It's also about how the section can be made interactive. So Vedantu has launched one of its kind of model, which is the 2-teacher model. As I mentioned, we basically involve only the top teachers to deliver students, and we want every student to learn from the top teacher. But at the same time, the problem which comes to the picture is who will solve the in-session doubts, right? The doubts which the students want to get resolved during the session. How will he resolve that? Because one teacher is teaching 300 students. There where the 2-teacher model comes to the picture, for every 80 students, I appoint a class teacher. So this is the 2-teacher model. One master teacher who delivers the class, a class teacher who solves the doubt of the students, and no one else is doing the same. So this is how we are making sure that only the top teachers teaches all students and every student, but simultaneously, because of the scale, the students are also getting their doubts resolved by a class teacher. The student will feel he's sitting in a class of only 70 students, and there is a class teacher who is there to solve the doubt, and there is a master teacher coming from top institutes, top IITs, who's delivering the lectures, right? So this is the power of technology, the power of our Wave platform. Any session missed, each and every session which we are delivering, our master teachers are delivering, they're getting recorded, right? So it completely eliminates the problem of student missing classes because of some genuine reasons. So every class which the master teacher is delivering is getting recorded, and it's available 24/7 for the students to have a look, right? So students do not now need to depend, basically ask their fellow students what happened in that class. Us class mein kya hua yaar, bata dena, notes de dena, ye de dena, wo de dena. That is completely we are eliminating. There is no need of it. And everything is happening from the comfort of home. That is the beauty of the model, right? If a student, I think there are only top 5 or 7 hubs in India who are running top physical coaching institutes, right? The student moves to the new city. First of all, the comfort of home is gone for 2 years. They are staying away from the parents, spending 3 lakhs on fees, spending 3 lakhs on rent, accommodation, food, and a lot of other things, travel. We just want to eliminate entire thing. Students should be there with its parents till class 12th and have this quality teaching at a quarter of a cost. That is only 80,000 rupees. We are charging for 11th and 12th, right? So coming to the India opportunity, how big the market is. In India, there are close to 15 lakh schools and 265 million students in the K-12 setup. This is what a target segment is, right? We can cater to these 265 million students over next few years, right? Talking to the split of these students, there is 22.4% of these schools which are private schools. Other than that, these are mostly government and government aided schools. As an immediate market segment, we would like to focus mainly on private schools, right? The reason behind the same being is affordability factor. Even if I say 80,000 rupees, only 80,000 I'm charging, that 80,000 also is not affordable by a lot of people in India because of the low income levels in majority of the population. So the addressable market for Vedantu should be this 22%, 22.4% of the private, 22.4% of the schools are the private schools, right? From this, this is close to 3.5 lakh schools and close to 100 million students, right? 37.1% of those 265 million students are basically studying in the private sector. So 100 million students. Now to further prioritize it, I am assuming the top 20% of these schools like Xavier's, DPS, they definitely are a potential set of schools, but these schools already have most of the facilities. We can definitely tap into them, but the opportunity in terms of selling all the courses to all the grades is relatively less. I cannot, there is no need of teaching a spoken English or a reading class to a student of Xavier's and DPS, right? They are taking care of their own, right? They do not need tuitions. They do have high quality teachers, but yes, they definitely need support in terms of JEE and NEET. They definitely need support in terms of coding. But again, considering they have most of the facilities already available at their end, right? These 20% of the schools and the bottom 40%, where being private, then also the course price, the annual fees of the school less than 30,000. These 60% of the school basically might not be my immediate target segment, right? It's the middle 40% that have aspirants to grow, remain key target segment for Vedantu. So basically, I'm saying there's a direct set of 1.5 lakh schools which becomes the immediate target segment for Vedantu, right? And this tells us how big the opportunity is. Coming to the franchisee proposal. So now what exactly is the plan from Vedantu's end with respect to franchises, right? So Vedantu has excelled basically in doing all the B2C or digital marketing and generate crores of business, right? We have become a $1 billion company because we have done insanely well in all our B2C campaigns and generating a handsome of revenue through our digital campaigns. Now the idea is basically to reach out to the schools, right? We want to tap into these schools because that's the place where thousands of students, which I can cater at one time, are sitting in. So idea is basically to set up franchisees across India who can help us basically tap into these schools. And that's why it's very important, whoever franchisees are coming on board, they should have some background in the education space, or at least they should have some connects with the existing schools, right? So this is how the plan looks like. We plan to onboard 300 franchisees across India by March 2022. By March 2022, we plan to onboard 300 franchisees, and we are looking for franchisees who are using their personal and professional network will help Vedantu expand its business in their respective territory. The partnership model will be a revenue sharing one, whatever the amount basically. So basically, whatever the amount, the cash, the enrollment revenue of franchisee generate, there will be a revenue sharing done on the same. Role of a franchisee partner, as I mentioned, it has to be majorly around reaching out to as many as K-12 schools in the assigned territory. We will be giving an exclusive territory where no other franchisee will operate. The role will be to reach out to as many as K-12 schools as possible and sell the Vedantu product. Idea is to get at least 50 to 100 students to start with, right? If it's a 2,000 school, we should at least target to get started with 100 students from 2 or 3 grades. Obviously, school will also try, will basically start and basically we give it a trial by starting with only 1 or 2 grades. And that's what we want. We want to step the foot into the door of schools, right? So that's the idea, reaching out to these schools, selling the program of Vedantu to the school, and then finally to the students and get on board the schools on Vedantu, right? This will be a FOFO mode, right? Franchisee owned, franchisee operated, right? And we will be providing other support, I'll covering that into later. So we are operating into the franchisee on franchisee operating board. This is the business opportunity. So basically here, this is the most important slide, I think, for everyone. So basically I'm saying, we are giving a margin of 15%, 15% of whatever the sales a franchisee partner is getting us into. This 15% is the bare minimum margin, which you will get even if you get 1 enrollment or 1,000 enrollment. Other than this, a franchisee can additional up to 10% depending upon the performance in every month. So basically, there will be incentive schemes which will be running every month. And this, the primarily idea to run this incentive scheme is to basically support those franchisee partners who have really good connects and who are really giving us good business. So 15% is the margin. This is the minimum margin which are giving you on all the revenue which you are collecting. And the beauty about the model is there is no investment required other than a franchisee fee. So this is one of its kind of franchisee where we are not asking you to investing anything in a physical setup, right? This is an online space. The entire classes will be delivered online by Vedantu teachers. The entire operations will be managed by the Vedantu once the student pays. So the role of franchisee partner is to basically crack the market in terms of getting the enrollments to the Vedantu, right? We will take care of each and everything with respect to the student once the student comes on board and makes the payment, right? So franchisee share is 15%, and we are charging a franchisee fee depending on in which city the franchisee is located in. In a metro city, we will be having 4 to 6 franchisees because it's a big city and we know it's very difficult for one franchisee partner to basically tap into that city. In a city like Mumbai, I will have a franchisee in Navi Mumbai, I will have a franchisee in Thane, I will have a franchisee in Borivali, Kandivali, I will have a franchisee in South Bombay, right? These cluster themselves is like a kind of city, right? So we want to make clusters in big cities, metro and tier 1 cities. In tier 2 and tier 3 city, we are giving you complete exclusivity. No franchisee will be operating other than you in the cities. The franchisee fee, which we are looking at, depending on the size of the city, is something like this. In metro, we are expecting close to 15 to 25 lakhs of franchisee fee. Tier 1, 12 to 15 lakhs. Tier 2, 8 to 12 lakhs. And tier 3, 5 to 8 lakhs. So tier 3 is basically any city with population less than 5 lakhs. Tier 2 is somewhere between 5 lakhs to 12 lakhs. Tier 1 is somewhere between 12 lakhs to 30 lakhs or 50 lakhs. And metro are majorly cities with population above 60 lakhs. Majorly, there are 6 metros, we count 4 metros everyone know, plus Bangalore and Hyderabad. Now, looking at the ROI point of view, now this is a kind of partner I'm expecting. I am not looking for a partner who is giving me a lakh or 2 lakh rupees of revenue every month. I'm looking for partners who can actually contribute in a significant amount. So any K-12 student, any K-12 school, which roughly have 1,500 students, right? And I am expecting my partners for an year, right, to close I'm taking a very bare minimum number of 10 schools with 200 students each. Average pricing of a product will be 35,000. Only the products of 11th and 12th are little on expensive side, which is close to 50,000. Average pricing will be 35,000 for an year. This is a realistic number, which I think my franchisee partner should definitely achieve if he is belongs to that background, right? So that belongs to like 7 crores of revenue, and 15% on then, that is a bare minimum. I said it's 1 CR, right? So that is a plan. That is a plan that I want my franchisee partner to break even in maximum 6 months. In maximum 6 months, if there is a strong franchisee who can generate business in initial 3 months only, the break even in initial 3 months is very much doable. There is zero investment on any physical setup, as I mentioned. So this is the plan, basically to launch the entire Vedantu program in the schools. Here are the details as I discussed. This is the support which Vedantu will be providing to the franchisee partner. So there will be a dedicated key account manager we will be giving to you, who will be basically drafting the entire strategy of your market, right? What are the schools? Obviously, you will be better knowing what are the schools in your space, but whatever secondary research the guy can do with respect to what school should be tapped in, if we can figure out some contacts together in the school, right? And what the entire strategy of what school should be pitched what, right? Every school has a different need. Until unless we understand the need of a school, we won't be able to crack it, right? There's a dedicated key account manager for all your queries and support, who will be working with you like your own team member and will be chasing the targets together. There will be a dedicated monthly training which will be providing to you and your team, because it's a seasonal model in terms of which course to sell one and at what rate, right? Courses keeps changing every month, rates keep changing every month, right? So there is a rigorous training every month is required for all the franchisee and his team about the products and the prices. There is a detailed sales toolkit which we will be providing to you in terms of brochures to be given to the principals, pamphlets, standees, posters, promotional videos, etc. Right? We are, to start with, we are providing only with the designs, and if the franchisee want, they can definitely print it and share it. From last 2 years, mostly all the things which are happening is mostly digital, right? The concept of basically sharing physical things have almost vanished. So we are providing only with designs for now. Definitely there is a crores of spends which Vedantu is doing on the marketing. So you will never ever face a problem of basically brand recognition. Every student, every teacher you meet, they would be knowing the name of Vedantu, right? Amir Khan is the brand ambassador, and we are doing a lot of marketing so that you will get all the brand support, right? We will maintain a consistent pricing, and yes, the most important support, we will be providing you an additional discount of 10 to 15% on the website price, or the price which my typical sales agent is offering. This will help you in attracting the students. Obviously, if you are not providing a better price, a student can buy directly from the website, and why should go to the franchisee. So that's the plan. 10 to 15% additional we can provide on every conversion you get to attract the students. In some cases, we will further provide you discount of 5% wherever we are able to crack basically a bulk deal, basically a school basically giving a surety of at least 100 students, and maybe asking an additional 5% margin, right? Or a 5% discount, a further discount. That is something we definitely will support you, right? And yes, definitely, whatever access your key account manager himself will be having to the chain of schools he's working with, you and him both together will be working on the same, right? So this is the plan for a franchisee program, and I hope I have made more or less other things clear. Potential partner profile. So as I mentioned, we are strictly looking for the people who have some connects in the education sector, right? And these people can have education connects because of the personal connections or nature of their business. There are people who are working with schools from decades, being an IT vendor, a study material vendor, a uniform vendor, sports equipment vendor, music equipment vendor, right? There are already existing relations between these vendors and the schools, and that is the most important thing to influence the decision of a school decision maker, right? So we are looking for partners who have already these connections, who have strong sales skills, who can actually convince the schools to come on board with Vedantu. And then there is no upside. There is no limit to the upside of how much business we can create. It's a $20 billion market of India in terms of education. So yeah, that's it. I won't take much time. I will open the forum for questions if there are any. And this is the plan which we are looking forward for. I hope.
That was very elaborative, Abhinav. Thank you so much. We have got another brand also waiting, but probably I'm sure we would be connecting you again with the prospective investors because they have hundreds of questions, and we'll connect you back accordingly.
Sure, Pragya, sure. Please, you can directly take up the queries and can reach out to me for any investor.
Sure, surely. Thank you so much. So we have got our next brand with us, Gem Selection. And to represent this, we have Gaurav. Gaurav, over to you.
Thank you, Pragya, and good evening, Kolkata. So I'll be presenting to you the opportunity which is into astrological gemstones. So this is one of the unique opportunity probably you would have not seen and heard before in any of the franchisee exhibitions. So what we do basically, we basically sell astrological gemstones. So we have got an online network, we have got an offline network, and now we are planning to come to Kolkata. We want to set up some physical stores. We already have an online presence in your city, and we're doing almost 20-30 lakh rupees business every month from Kolkata without having a physical presence. So now we are looking at setting up a store where we can probably do more than 20 lakh because we'll have an experience center where people can come and buy it. So they will first see that what kind of stones are they buying and how it is going to help them and what is the price range. Because while I talk about the kind of astrological gemstones that we deal with, so we have got a gemstone starting with 5,000 rupees going up to 15 lakh rupees. So obviously, when somebody is coming and experiencing the clarity and the use of it, right? Because why we are selling it one stone at 5,000 rupees and the other one at a cost of 15 lakh rupees is because of the quality of that stone and the clarity that the stone has. So the more it is clear and the more the quality is better, it will impact the life of the people who are wanting to use it. So generally, I tell you, I mean, just to set the context, there are two types of problems in the life of a human. One is the medical problem and second is a non-medical problem. So medical problem can be solved by a doctor, but a non-medical problem can only be solved by something which is related to your spiritual power. So if you believe in that spiritual power, if you believe that there is a superpower which controls everybody, and so that's the kind of solution that we provide. And we are basically a 34-year-old organization in this business, which was started by our founder, Mr. Pankaj Khanna, who is not just the founder but the current chairman of the Khanna Gems Group. So he's the face of the company, and he's an author himself. He's written the book on the astrological gemstones, which is the mystery of gemstone, and it is the most sold book in this particular category of reading, right? So on the screen you can see Mr. Pankaj Khanna and the second generation, which is into business now, Aradhya Khanna. So he's the son of Mr. Khanna, who has joined him a couple of years before after completing his MBA, and he's now taking the business to the next level. So Mr. Khanna has his own factory in Gujarat and Delhi. So they basically import the raw material from various parts of the country, various parts of the world. They do the purification, rectification, and they create the stone out of it, which you further put it into some kind of a jewelry, right? So you can have a bracelet, you can have a neck piece, you can have a ring within which you can get this embossed and you buy it. So they have a jewelry factory in Delhi, and they have got a gemstones factory in Gujarat. So that's how we have created the network of setting up this entire eco chain under one roof. So we import the raw material, we purify it, we make it a complete gem. Then we take the order from the one who would like to use it, and we create the customized jewelry for that user, and then we produce it to our customer through our online sales and the offline sales, right? As I was talking about Mr. Khanna, so he's basically not just face to the Khanna Gems, but also the face of the astrological gemstone industry in the country. So you name the personality, you name the political party member, or you name anybody who's the industrialist in the country, they all are the client of Khanna Gems. They are all the client of Mr. Pankaj Khanna, and we have created a niche for us in this business. So you will be surprised to know that while the COVID hit us badly, right, majority of industries were struggling, we have contributed a growth of almost 160% in our business. Yes, you heard it right. So 160% is the growth rate that we have added in our business amid this COVID period. So we have actually grown multifold. So it is the right time that if you're looking at something to invest, you're looking at something where you want to create a wealth opportunity for you, and you are unclear as to which is the right business, because there are categories of business that you can invest in. While this is one very niche industry where you can invest and you can start making money from the first month, because we take care of the marketing, we take care of the lead generation for you, and you're not supposed to pay anything to us. You just have to set up your store, and we will tell you the kind of customers base that we already have in that market. Basis that will give you the gems that you have to store at your place, and you have to sell it. So we give you leads, we give you stems, gems. You have to just deal with the people out there who are coming to you, right? So now presenting to you the size of the industry. So as you can see, the $40 billion, $40 billion is the size of the Indian astrological gemstone market, right? And and it is growing at a rate of about 5% every year, right? Which is huge, right? So this is the industry where we are wanting you to come and become part with franchise, with gemstones, with Gem Selection as a company, right? Kind of problems that we are trying to resolve with our services, because you would have noticed that you can buy these gemstones from any jewelry shop next door working in the local market. However, the difference that we provide is we do not deal with any heated and treated gemstones. We deal with only and only pure gemstones, and we get it certified by the government lab, right, which is IGI GTL government side, and we sell it from our factory to you, and you then sell it. So there is no in between channel which is coming from outside and taking the margin or giving you something which is impure. So the purity and the margin that you're getting in this business while you are working with us is better than doing it from any other party. So that's the beauty about working with the gemstones. The second benefit that you're getting is that the third benefit that you're getting is, which is not covered in this presentation. However, I will cover that in the next presentation. But just to give you the idea, we also have a provision to sell gemstones on EMI. So we have got tie-up with the banks and NBFCs, which can help people to buy the gemstones also at a loan basis. तो वहां पे भी अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसा बायर होता है जिसको इमीडिएटली सपोज 5 लाख की रिंग पसंद आई है या 50,000 की रिंग पसंद आई है और उसको अपफ्रंट पैसा देने में थोड़ा सा हेजिटेशन है, या फिर उसको immediately funds का थोड़ा सा problem है, because as I mentioned that there are two problems in life. Either you have a medical problem or a non-medical. So when it is a non-medical, it can be your life. It can be related to study. It can be related to the business. It can be related to your job. It can be related to your marriage, or it can be related to property. So majority of problems are related to your finance, जहाँ पे आपका finance involved होता है, other than the marriage life. So we understand that this problem can be there for a person who would like to use this gem for getting eliminated these problems that he has in his life, which are related to the finance, and hence we have this provision of giving gems on the EMI as well. Right now, what all are the 6 gems of gem selection? भाई आपको हमारे से क्या additional benefit मिलेगा? So these are the additional benefits that you are going to get. We have got a 5 million website views per month on our website. As I mentioned, we are the oldest and the largest in our own segment. तो 5 मिलियन से ज्यादा हमारे खुद के कस्टमर्स हैं जो हमारे वेबसाइट पे आते हैं. 2 करोड़ से ज्यादा हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल के लाइफ टाइम व्यूज हैं, और हमारी अपनी एप्लीकेशन है, एंड्रॉयड और iOS को सपोर्ट करती है. तो उसमें कोई भी बाय करना चाहता है तो उससे बाय कर सकता है. उसमें कस्टमाइज कुछ ज्वेलरी आपको बनवानी है तो आपने उसमें अपनी फोटोग्राफ डाली, आपने कहीं पे भी कोई ज्वेलरी आर्ट पीस देखा है ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन, आपने वो फोटो अपलोड करनी है और वो सेम ज्वेलरी का पीस आपके सिलेक्टेड जेमस्टोन के साथ हम एम्बोस करके आपको आपके घर पे डिलीवर करेंगे. ये कमिटमेंट हम अपने देते हैं एंड कंज्यूमर को. तो इन बिटवीन अगर आप हमारे साथ जुड़ते हो, you will also become part of that ecosystem with us. These are the some of the media coverages that we would like to demonstrate in front of you. So you name the media besides the digital platform. This is the electronic and the print media where we have already got our listed. So presence के terms में, marketing के terms में, या फिर popularity के terms में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो हमने we have left unfolded for gem selections. Right? And it's not that we do it deliberately. People do it for us because we have got the traction already built in the market with our presence in last 3 decades. And these are the people who are our customers, right? And many more of these sort. इसमें आपको मैं थोड़ा सा deliberate करूंगा यहाँ पे भी कि ये business हम करते कैसे हैं? Why we have got such big traction and why we are so confident that we will give you leads, we will give you business. आपको सिर्फ अपना स्टोर सेटअप करना है और आपको उसको मैनेज करना है. सो यू नीड अबाउट 150-200 स्क्वायर फीट ऑफ शॉप. उसको आपने बेसिकली डिजाइन करना है हमारे पैरामीटर्स के हिसाब से, और वहां पे हम आपको सारा सप्लाई देंगे और आपको उसको बेचना है, और बेचने के लिए लीड्स हम आपको देंगे. तो हम इसको करते कैसे हैं? हम करते हैं इसको एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स के हेल्प के थ्रू. तो हमारा आज की डेट में ऑलमोस्ट 2000 एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स का नेटवर्क है जो हमारे साथ एज अ रेफरेंस या एज अ पेरोल हमारे साथ काम करते हैं. तो हमारे पास एक कस्टमर आता है वेबसाइट के थ्रू या कहीं पे भी हमारा नाम सुन के, हम उसको एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल कंसल्टेशन देते हैं. एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल कंसल्टेशन देने के बाद हमारा एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल जो हमारा एस्ट्रोलॉजर है वो उसको सजेस्ट करता है कि कौन सा जेमस्टोन उसके लिए राइट है, कितने वेट का उसको वो बनवाना चाहिए, उसको वो सिल्वर में पहनना चाहिए या फिर वो उसको गोल्ड में पहनना चाहिए, उसको डायमंड के साथ करना चाहिए या डायरेक्ट उसको वो गोल्ड या सिल्वर की ज्वेलरी के साथ पहन सकता है, वो पूरा सजेशन उसको दे के वो ऑर्डर हमारे पास राउट कर देते हैं। तो इसीलिए ये जो चैनल हमने सेट किया है ना, ये हमारे को बहुत ज्यादा बिजनेस देता है। तो हर मंथ हम लोग जो है अपने एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स के थ्रू ये बिजनेस करते हैं। तो जिस भी सिटी में हम लोग नया टाई अप करते हैं, नया अपना स्टोर अनाउंस करते हैं, तो अगर आज हमारे पास वहां पे 10 एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स हैं, हम उसको इमीडिएट रैंप अप करना शुरू कर देते हैं, एंड वी विल मेक श्योर दैट वी हैव एटलीस्ट 20, 30, 40 astrologers working with us as a reference point for giving business to our local franchisee and providing leads to that local franchisee. तो ये हमारा पूरा एक ecosystem है for driving the sales. तो एक बैकएंड पे मार्केटिंग चल रही है, दूसरा ये चैनल डेवलपमेंट चल रहा है, और इस चैनल के थ्रू हम बिजनेस डेवलप कर रहे हैं। EMI फैसिलिटी के बारे में मैं आपको ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ, इसका एक प्रोसेस रहेगा। So while you come aboard with us, we'll tell you that what exactly is the way that you have to work with your customer to get them the right EMI facility, right? This is the credibility and the CIBIL score of the investor. These are the awards that we have got from the government and the non-government bodies for providing and contributing something which none of the other companies in this trade has contributed. Now the benefits of working as a franchisee. So हमारा मॉडल कैसा है कि अगर आपको इस बिजनेस में जाना है तो आप 7 लाख रुपए की इन्वेंट्री के साथ ये बिजनेस शुरू कर सकते हो। So there is a one-time franchise fees that you have to pay and set up the store according to the company parameters, which is only 150 square feet to 200 square feet. किसी भी एक छोटी मार्केट प्लेस में आप बना सकते हो इसको, जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा रेंट ना हो, क्योंकि कस्टमर बेस आपको हम क्रिएट करके दे रहे हैं। इसमें वॉक इन कस्टमर्स बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होते हैं, सारा कस्टमर बेस हम अपने एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स के थ्रू और अपने ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग के थ्रू क्रिएट करते हैं। तो आपने 7 लाख रुपए की अपने यहाँ पे इन्वेंट्री रखी हुई है, लेकिन जो हमारी एप्लीकेशन पे इन्वेंट्री है वो 65 करोड़ से ज्यादा है। तो 7 लाख की इन्वेंट्री जो आप फिजिकली वहां पे दिखा रहे हो, बिसाइड्स आपको एक्सेस है 65 करोड़ की इन्वेंट्री का। तो आप किसी भी सिटी में इसको सेट करते हो, आपको एक तो मैं एक्सक्लूसिविटी देता हूं वहां पे, अगर टियर 3 सिटी है या टियर 2 सिटी है, सो यू गेट एक्सक्लूसिविटी। इफ इट इज अ मेट्रो, then we give you a cluster where we will not set up any new store. तो ये आपको एक बेनिफिट मिलता है। और जितना भी इस बिजनेस से रिलेटेड आपको टेक्निकलिटी चाहिए to know about the stones and the way you have to deal with the customers and the way you have to present the gems, right, that you are dealing with, क्योंकि इसका एक अपना आर्ट है, how you have to present it and how you have to deal with your customers, because they have come to you while they are undergoing some problem. तो आप उनको instead you sell it, you actually position it right in their mind. तो वो कैसे आपने उसमें डीलिंग करना है, वो सारा ट्रेनिंग सर्टिफिकेशन हम लोग खुद से अपने टीम को भेज के करवाते हैं। ये EMI का पूरा चैनल है। तो कस्टमर आएगा आपके पास, आप उसको हमारे से कनेक्ट करोगे, हम NBFC से या बैंक से कनेक्ट करेंगे, वहां पे बैंक उसको लोन अप्रूव करेगा और कस्टमर के पास सामान चला जाएगा, आपको आपका पैसा मिल जाएगा। और जितना भी EMI सेटलमेंट होगी मंथ ऑन मंथ बेसिस पे, वो सीधा हम एज अ पेरेंट कंपनी डील करेंगे, उसमें आपका कोई रोल नहीं है। तो आपका जो कमीशन है इस बिजनेस में, वो आपको उसी दिन मिल जाएगा जिस दिन आपका सामान बिक गया। और उसके बाद पेमेंट की जो कलेक्शन की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो जेम सिलेक्शन की टीम की ओनरशिप आ जाती है उसमें। तो ये एक बेनिफिट है जो हम आपको देते हैं, which was covered before also, but just to reiterate, right? ये ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन सेल्स का मैंने आपको बता दिया है। So we give you both the platforms, whether it is an online or an offline sale. कस्टमर जो है वो आपके थ्रू ही सर्विस होगा उस लोकल मार्केट में जहां पे आप सेटअप कर रहे हैं। So that's what I meant with the exclusivity. जितने भी हमारे डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं उसमें आपको स्टाफ रिक्रूटमेंट से लेके लेजर सेटलमेंट से लेके सॉफ्टवेयर से लेके मार्केटिंग लॉजिस्टिक्स सब कुछ हमारा जो है सेंट्रलाइज सपोर्ट रहेगा। 24/7 आपका स्टोर जो है वो हमारे CCTV सर्विलेंस में रहेगा, और वो CCTV सर्विलेंस सिर्फ वीडियो नहीं, ऑडियो सर्विलेंस भी कर रही है। सो वट एवर यू और योर टीम इज डीलिंग विद कस्टमर्स विच वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग, वो सब हमारे रिकॉर्डिंग में जाएगा और वो सारी सर्विलेंस आपके साथ भी शेयर करी जाएगी। और कहीं पे भी अगर लगता है हमारे को कि कुछ आपको इसमें हमने फर्दर सपोर्ट करना है in terms of pitching, in terms of presentation, in terms of dealing, or in terms of anything which we feel that is required at any given step, वो हम आपको रेगुलर इंटरवल्स में प्रोवाइड करते रहेंगे। So that's the beauty working with friend selection कि आपको एक holistic support मिल रहा है, whether it is the supplies of the goods or creating the funnel, or it is the online offline business generation, or it is the surveillance training, marketing, everything. ये प्रोसेस में आपको सपोर्ट बता चुका हूं. तो कंसल्टेशन के बाद जेम सिलेक्शन होगी, ऑर्नामेंट सिलेक्शन होगी, ऑर्नामेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होगी, उसका अभिमंत्रण होगा और वो आपके पास पहुंच जाएगा या आपके कस्टमर्स के पास डायरेक्ट पहुंच जाएगा. सो दैट्स द प्रोसेस वी फॉलो. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द वे वी वर्क. सो वी डू नॉट हैव फ्रेंचाइजी सेल्स. तो ये जो प्रेजेंटेशन मैं दे रहा हूं, दिस इज जस्ट टू गिव यू एन आइडिया दैट हाउ डू वी वर्क while you become a partner. But before you become a partner, we will do a selection process with you. So there is a selection process which has to undergo. So while we have an application coming to us right through Franchisee India, we will do an interview with the person who is applying for the franchisee, and we will judge them on various parameters, because integrity, honesty is the key in our business. And wherever we feel that this business is not going to work with any of the future prospect that is coming to us for a franchisee of gem selections, हम शायद उसको deny भी कर देंगे. So you'll have to be really, really interested and passionate about doing this business. पैसा हम आपको कमा के दे देंगे, ये हमारा assurance है, right? लेकिन integrity और honesty अगर आप में नहीं है, तो शायद आप इस business को लंबे टाइम तक नहीं कर पाओगे और हमारे साथ आपका जो है वो तालमेल नहीं बैठ पाएगा. So be very, very sensitive about why you are choosing gem selection as a business opportunity. इन्वेस्टमेंट का ब्रेकअप आपके सामने है. 7.5 लाख रुपए का स्टॉक है, 5 लाख प्लस जीएसटी फ्रेंचाइज फीस, सेटअप कॉस्ट इन अ ट्यून ऑफ 3 lakh rupees for a 150 square feet shop, working capital in a tune of about 1.5-2 lakh rupees. Expected revenue in the first year will be about 60 odd lakh rupees, third year it will be 90, fifth year it will be about 1 crore 20 lakh. तो ये हर साल आपका रेवेन्यू जैसे जैसे बढ़ता जाएगा, आपकी इनकम अपॉर्चुनिटी बढ़ती जाएगी. इसमें हम जो मार्जिन देते हैं वो आपको देते हैं 20% ऑनलाइन सेल्स का, 28% ऑफलाइन सेल्स का, और अगर आप सूवेनियर्स वगैरह बेचते हैं, क्रिस्टल्स बेचते हैं, तो 40%. तो नटशेल में अगर मैं आपको बताऊं तो आपको 15 महीने में मैक्सिमम आपका पूरा 17-18 लाख रुपए वापस निकल जाता है. सो दैट्स द ब्यूटी अबाउट वर्किंग. 1 lakh rupees per month is the average income that you can earn in our business from day one. 150-200 स्क्वायर फीट शॉप, 2 लोगों का काम से आप इस बिजनेस को शुरू कर सकते हो. तो एक आपका सेल्स लेडी हो गया, एक आपका फीमेल स्टाफ हो गया, एक आपका एंसिलरी स्टाफ हो गया. So these are the 3 people you need, and you just start doing this business. These are the revenue projections which I was mentioning to you, right? So weighted average margin is about 25%. तो अगर आप बात करते हो कि 5वें साल में आपका बिजनेस 1.5 करोड़ का है और 25% का आपका मार्जिन है, तो आप लगा लो कि आपको कितना इस बिजनेस में मार्जिन मिल रहा है. So you're earning almost 30 lakh rupees, 40 lakh rupees in the 5th year with us. तो on an average अगर मैं आपको बात करूं कि 60 लाख से 1.5 करोड़ का सफर आपने 5 साल में हमारे साथ जो है वो चला है, तो उसमें ऑन एन एवरेज अगर आप मान के चलो कि साल का आपको 15 से 20 लाख रुपए का इनकम खर्चे निकाल के बचता है. This is just a pictorial representation of the stores that we have across the country and worldwide. So we have 400-500 odd dealers, 2,000 odd astrologers, and about 20 odd stores across the world, 4 continents में. So US, UK, Australia, and Asian market. So we have got our physical presence in these markets already, and we are selling our stones worldwide, we can say, with all the proud and pride that we have created in this business in past 3 decades. So if you wish to be a partner with us, please feel free to join hands, feel free to get in touch with me directly. You can note down my number. It is 9711409910. I repeat, 9711409910 is my number. Feel free to reach back to us through me, directly to me, or through Franchisee India, and become a part of this rewarding journey of 160 odd % in 1 year. Thank you. Thank you so much. Over to you, Pragya.
Thank you, Gaurav. It was pleasure knowing about the brand. We will connect with you accordingly.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Everyone present here, thank you so much for your time and being part of today's webinar. As mentioned, Saturday we are having an event at Grand Oberoi. Our team will connect with you tomorrow and give you the details. Do spare some time and attend this franchise exhibition. There would be more brands on which you can explore, and we will be helping you across with more parameters in terms of the different industries, different investments, everything with your one-to-one consulting. Thank you again. Good night.